So right short leg, you're about 1 inch today. So not as bad as I thought it'd be. I'm closer to 3/4 inch. Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic, and I have Erin here, and she has been involved in roller derby. And I briefly asked her a question, well, any injuries recently? And well, when someone's in roller derby, there's always an injury occurring. But right now, you notice I'm doing some deep traction with her spine to help open up some of the facets and the joints in there. As soon as I brought it up to a deeper traction position, she said, oh, that felt nice. So it's definitely starting to work in there. Sometimes you want to go slow with some people, but she's a pretty active person. You're pretty active, Erin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to add just a little bit. You'll feel my hand right on L5 right here. You good? Mm-hmm. And on the sacrum. So Erin came in. She's been to a chiropractor before. How long has it been since you went to a chiropractor?
Since end of May.
End of May. Looking for someone different and looking for something different in there. And she came in and we had one visit. Definite improvement. She liked some of the techniques that we did with her, really beneficial. All right, we're going to bring it to a stop right here. And take a deep breath all the way in and release it all the way out. So we got a really deep traction on the second visit for her. All right, now we're going to do a little bit of leg testing to see how that sacrum sits. So I want you to raise this leg without bending the knee for me. Back down, good motion on the right one. Other one for me. And this is actually her problem side. She feels some of the numbness down the leg here, but also you notice it was a little slower on the get up and go. So we're going to actually do the adjustment right here on the sacrum. So the table's going to drop right here, Erin. And you're going to feel the pelvis go down on this side. Go a little bit firmer. Breath in, release. One more. And out for me. Good. I want you to lay on this side, face me this way. Comfortable with everything I'm doing so far? Okay, bend this top knee right here. I'm going to bring this leg in this position. Good. Bingo. You probably heard that live. And we're going to finish it off. That's what was stuck on there. Go the opposite way for me. My hands on you so you don't roll off the table.
Thanks.
Haven't lost anyone in 20 years, but that could be my first. I'm going to open up that right SI joint just a little bit right there. Good. Face down again. Now, where you're telling me some of the numbness is going down. She's feeling numbness down the front thigh, and is it going down into the leg as well?
Yeah, into the foot.
Okay, so we tend to see a pinched nerve in the upper lumbar vertebrae, so I'm going to check that area as well. But you said this has been going on for a while.
Yeah.
Is there anything, particular event that happened that you think may have contributed to that?
No, I was working a desk job more.
You were sitting at the time
Yeah.
more? And that's really important for all of you out there to understand that, you know, our bodies are not designed to be sitting for long periods of time. But since the invention of computers and modernization of the world, we tend to park it more than move around anything. So what I want you to do is put both your hands on your lower back for me. So her right leg went 1.5 inches short. And what that shares of these, so it's one of the motions or movements that we do. You can bring your arms down. It's a stress test, isolation test that I do right there. Mm-hmm. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
So obviously chronic long term, I'm going to actually use an instrument on that area to adjust you. Take a deep breath. Release it out. Put both hands back there again for me. So only about 1/4 inch short this time. And it stays 1/4 inch short. Okay, hands down. Table's going to release underneath you here. Okay. Get that drop. And we're going to actually adjust that manually by hand right here. Good. Not too hard on you? Breath in, release it out. Okay, I want you to go ahead and lay on your back, please. The middle section is going to come up. I'm going to cross the arms. Thank you. Placing my hand behind the spine. Right there, do you feel it? Breath in, release. Good. Big breath in. Release the breath. Slowly raise the head. Big breath in again. Release it out. Good. All right. Take a breath. Okay? All right. Raise your head. Last time, so this is, when you see this technique, it's a very gentle traction technique, and some chiropractors have a little bit more pressure that they do with it. In fact, this is one of her more favorite adjustments as she had last time. So you can go as light or as firm as you need to open that area. So I want you to put your hands right here on the sides. Good, and you're going to feel that traction open up that area just a little bit. There we go. Good. And I like checking the knees, ankles, feet, because that contributes to some of the low back pain as well. Especially when she's doing a lot of roll. Did you have an injury to this ankle? No.
You asked that last time, though.
Yeah. You know what I feel in here?
Is that clicking?
The clicking as well as the foot turns in quite a bit on this side. I like to check the shoulders as well as the elbows, the hands. So I do full spine, full body adjustments, especially when people are very active. Most people don't realize that chiropractors actually adjust shoulders and elbows and hands as well. Okay, go ahead and sit up for me. Face that direction. Good job. All right, so we're going to put a little arch. So arch, sit up straight right there. So we have a nice arch into the lower back. Bring your shoulders back just a little bit. And you're going to translate, so move the chin backward. Hold that. I want you to take a deep breath through your nose, out your mouth. Do that a few times. And you can see how the ear is in alignment with the shoulder, in alignment with the hip. And that's the posture that we look for. In fact, I just released a video on exercises of stretching and strengthening for the neck, intrinsic and extrinsic muscles, which are the muscles right here in the back of the head. So look for that video. Another deep breath in for me. And relax it out. We're going to check. You can relax now. Check the shoulder. Okay, bend the elbow for me. Drop the elbow down, drop the head down. Good. Other one. All right, Bend your head to the right. So ear to the right shoulder for me. Ear to the left shoulder. It gets really tough when I'm holding on my muscle group back to the middle. Bend your head forward. Bend it backward for me. Good. And then turn it right. Turn it left. And back to the middle. Take a breath in. And release it out. How was that?
Good.
Happy with that?
Yes.
You did awesome. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic. I'll see you later.